Pride for me is recognizing your own human rights.
I think pride for me is all about usually feel acceptance. Kasi sa atin sinabi natin pride, usually sinasabi natin yung pride ng tao na ayaw nila magpanalo, hindi sila sila. Pero pride, as we celebrate Pride Month, is more of us accepting how people should be. So they are part of the community, they are as like us themselves. So I think it's really more of acceptance and inclusivity.
Ang pride is about equal treatment of people. Kasama dun ang respect at saka love. Kasi kung may love ka sa kapwa mo, kasama na dun ang respect. Automatic yun. Hindi pwedeng paghiwalay. Kaya importante ang pride para sa lahat. Hindi yun kayabangan, hindi yun kataasan ng pag-iisip kung mas magaling ka kaysa sa iba. It is all about love.